If you're looking for a basic wall clock, grab this one. My favorite part, it doesn't tick. It just, the second hand just moves around. It doesn't tick around, which I absolutely love it. If you look, you can see that the numbers are also raised. So they're a 3D number on it, and you have everything: the hour hand, the minute hand, the second hand, all your numbers, and all the dots in between. It's very simple. Put a battery in it, and here you have your adjuster for your time. So let me show you it up on the wall. You also get everything you need to hang it up on the wall. I've hammered it in the wall, and here it is hanging up. Very easy to install, and hook it right onto the hook, and there you go.